Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm still around. So I'll be doing a sleek ponytail to the back, a low sleek ponytail using my natural hair. I've started the back, so now I am just combing through my hair with a white heat comb, just to make it easier and more comfortable for me. And then I'm gonna use an eco styling gel to sleek it backwards. So after sleeking it backwards, I'm just going to be adding it to what's in the back each time. So I'll be sleeking it back in sections. Guys, don't mind my face. I'm very tender-headed, so my face is just a reaction from me combing my hair. Yes. So I'll be repeating the same process until all the hair is sleeked back. So I'll get back with you guys when I'm done doing that, okay? Okay guys, so now that all the hair is sleeked back in a ponytail, what I'm going to do with the hair in, I'm going to make it in a bun because I don't want to leave my hair like that. So I'm just going to make it in a bun, you know, to protect my hair. And then I'll be adding some hair to the hand. Okay, so here's the bun, and we're gonna move on to adding the hair to the hand. I'm just gonna do some, you know, some touching up, brushing up, and then we'll move on to that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and make my baby here. So I'm done making my baby hair. So what I'm gonna do is tie the hair down and blow dry it a bit, because as you can see, there's a lot of product in the hair that makes it looks white, but as soon as it dries, all that will disappear. So stay tuned, guys. I'm just gonna tie it down, blow dry, and be back to add that ponytail. Okay guys, so now the hair is dry. I'm gonna go ahead and make my ponytail with this cuban twist here. I already went ahead and twist the hair how I wanted it, and I'm just going ahead and add it to my bun that I made earlier on. As you can see, I added a elastic band to use as my anchor between the ponytail and my hair, and that's what I'm using to attach both hair together. And all I did was wrap the elastic band around the bun a couple of times, then I just flip the hair over it to, like, you know, hide it so you don't see, you know, the difference or the transition. And then I use a couple of pins just to, you know, secure the ponytail down on my hair. Guys, I love this Cuban twist braiding here. It just goes well with my hair. It just blends in perfectly. It looks real natural, so I use it a lot with my, you know, when I want to wear my hair. I use this a lot just to, you know, give my hair some body or some length. Okay guys, so I'm done adding the ponytail, so I'm just gonna accessorize the hair with some gold accessories and also add some of the Cuban twist here to where my hair and the ponytail meets, so we have a smooth transition. You know, you don't see the difference between my hair and the Cuban twist. So just stay tuned and watch, and I hope you learned something. And guys, remember to like, subscribe, and share, and let me know what you think. Okay? Okay guys, so we're coming to the end. I'm gonna go ahead and tie this down again and do my makeup, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. Until then, next time.